I once tried making chicken piccata for an anniversary dinner, but without a proper meat mallet, I used a rolling pin. The result: uneven, chewy chicken that ruined the dish. Choosing the wrong meat tenderizer leaves you with torn cutlets or sore wrists, making a simple prep step a total nightmare. If you're tired of battling your meat before you cook it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 best meat mallets on the market to help you achieve perfectly tender, restaurant-quality meals every single time. 5. Zulay Kitchen Professional Meat Mallet. Right out of the packaging, this tool presents a sleek, modern aesthetic with its completely black, non-stick coated finish. I initially put this mallet to the test while preparing a large batch of chicken schnitzel, using the smooth side to flatten the poultry. The surface area of the flat side is adequately sized, allowing me to cover a decent amount of meat with each strike, and the initial feel of the ergonomic handle was surprisingly comfortable in my palm. However, as I continued prepping my meal, the reality of its aluminum alloy construction became apparent. While aluminum makes the tool incredibly lightweight, this lack of heft is actually a significant disadvantage when pounding out multiple cuts of meat. Instead of letting the weight of the mallet do the work, I found myself having to exert a tremendous amount of elbow grease and shoulder power to get the chicken to my desired thickness. By the time I finished flattening just 4 chicken breasts, my arm was genuinely fatigued, which defeats the purpose of using a specialized kitchen tool. Moving on to the textured side, the teeth are adequately sharp and do a decent job of tenderizing tougher cuts like flank steak. Unfortunately, it was during this heavier use that I noticed a concerning flaw with the non-stick coating. After accidentally striking the edge of my wooden cutting board and occasionally hitting small bone fragments, the black finish started to show visible scratches and minor chipping. The idea of tiny flakes of non-stick coating potentially finding their way into my food was unsettling, making me question the long-term durability of the finish under heavy culinary use. 4. SUCCFLY Meat Mallet. Taking a step up in material quality, this model boasts a heavy-duty stainless steel construction that immediately commands attention. Unboxing this tool, I was struck by its brilliant mirror finish and the undeniable heft it carries. When I tested it on a batch of remarkably thick pork chops to make tonkatsu, the raw power of the heavy head was fantastic. The sheer gravity of the stainless steel drove the mallet down with immense force, flattening the thick chops in half the time it took with lighter, aluminum alternatives. The dual-sided head features a flat side and a textured side equipped with conical spikes. However, these spikes are incredibly aggressive and sharply pointed. When I attempted to use the textured side to tenderize a more delicate piece of veal, the sharp teeth completely tore through the muscle fibers, essentially shredding the meat rather than tenderizing it. Because the mallet is so top-heavy, you have to actively fight its momentum and consciously hold back your power when dealing with anything other than the thickest, toughest cuts of beef, which makes it feel awkward and unbalanced in practice. The handle design introduces another significant practical issue in the kitchen. It is a simple, smooth stainless steel cylinder that certainly looks professional and sleek on a countertop. But once your hands get even slightly damp from washing or acquire the inevitable slickness from handling raw poultry or oiled meats, that smooth metal handle becomes dangerously slippery. 3. Gourmet Easy Mallet. Right out of the gate, this tool impressed me with its masterful sense of balance. It isn't overly heavy like a blacksmith's hammer, yet it carries precisely enough weight in the head to make pounding out chicken breasts and beef cutlets feel entirely effortless. I used it to prepare meat for weeknight stir-fries, and the weight distribution provided a smooth, rhythmic swinging motion that felt incredibly natural and highly efficient. The textured side of this mallet is a testament to thoughtful culinary engineering. Instead of jagged, aggressive spikes, it features carefully calculated pyramid-shaped teeth that penetrate the meat just enough to effectively break down stubborn connective tissues. I tested this feature extensively on cheap, notoriously tough cuts of chuck roast, and the results were absolutely phenomenal. It tenderized the meat beautifully without compromising its structural integrity, allowing the beef to absorb my marinades deeply while retaining all of its natural juices during the high-heat cooking process. What truly sets this model apart from the previous contenders is its superior grip design. The handle is wrapped in a high-quality, comfortable material that provides a secure, non-slip hold even in the messiest kitchen conditions. Moreover, this grip material actively absorbs the shock and vibration of each strike before it can travel up your arm. Even when I was pounding out a massive mountain of chicken cutlets for a large family gathering, my wrist and elbow felt completely fine, entirely eliminating the fatigue that usually accompanies this kind of prep work. 2. KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Mallet. KitchenAid is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to premium kitchen tools, and this beautifully crafted mallet completely lives up to the brand's prestigious reputation. It features a robust, die-cast aluminum construction that feels incredibly solid, durable, and exceptionally well made as soon as you pick it up. There is a distinct feeling of quality in the craftsmanship, and it brings a touch of professional elegance to your kitchen utensil drawer. What makes this mallet perform so exceptionally well is its intelligently designed, oversized head. The flat side is noticeably wider than standard mallets, which means you cover a significantly larger surface area with every single strike. I use this tool to flatten delicate cuts of veal for a complex scallopini dish, and the wider head flattened the meat incredibly fast and with beautiful uniformity. The increased surface area drastically reduced the chances of tearing the meat, resulting in perfectly even cutlets that cooked at the exact same rate. The textured side is equally effective, featuring an optimized spike pattern that tenderizes thick steaks flawlessly without turning them into mush. The handle features the classic, iconic KitchenAid design. It is thick, incredibly comfortable, and features a premium soft grip overlay. This rubberized texture completely prevents slipping, even when your hands are slick with oil or meat juices. The shock absorption is fantastic, making the entire pounding process feel smooth, controlled, and remarkably satisfying, regardless of how much force you are applying. While it is technically an aluminum tool, it comes with a highly specialized, premium coating that makes it incredibly durable and surprisingly easy to maintain. 1. Gourmet Easy Stainless Steel Meat Mallet. This is without a doubt the gold standard for kitchen tenderizers. Crafted entirely from premium, food-grade 304 stainless steel, it feels exactly like a high-end, commercial-grade tool that will literally last you a lifetime. When I brought this out to prep massive, thick cuts of meat for a weekend barbecue, the sheer quality and professional feel of the metal immediately elevated my entire cooking experience. The physical physics and weight distribution on this mallet are absolutely flawless. It utilizes a heavier, perfectly balanced head paired with a beautifully proportioned handle, which means gravity does about 95% of the physical work for you. I tested it on a thick, stubborn brisket, simply lifting the mallet and letting it fall. It pounded the dense meat down to a uniform thickness with incredibly minimal effort on my part, transforming a normally exhausting chore into a quick, effortless breeze. The dual-sided head is an absolute masterclass in functional kitchen design. The flat side acts like a heavy, smooth iron, gently but firmly pressing poultry out without bruising the delicate flesh. Meanwhile, the textured side features precisely sharpened teeth that slice cleanly through dense sinew and tough muscle fibers effortlessly. It leaves the meat perfectly prepped, creating the ideal texture to absorb complex marinades deep into the tissue, ensuring that every bite you cook is incredibly flavorful, juicy, and melt in your mouth tender. The absolute best part of this mallet is its impeccable hygiene and maintenance profile. Being 100% solid stainless steel with a brilliant, seamless one-piece construction, it is completely immune to rust, corrosion, or degradation.